Hi, today I'll be doing a review of 4 of the most popular SEO platforms: Semrush, Ahrefs, Moz, and Ubersuggest. If you are a digital marketer, a content creator, or a small business owner, SEO is probably something you heard a lot about. But with so many tools out there, which one actually delivers results in 2025? We'll cover the features of these 4 platforms, the pricing, the pros and cons, and we'll wrap up with a balanced conclusion. So let's get started. First, we talk about Semrush. Semrush is like the Swiss Army knife of SEO tools. It was launched in 2008 and it has evolved into a comprehensive digital marketing platform that helps with keyword research, competitor analysis, content optimization, PPC, and even social media management. It's widely used by marketing agencies, large businesses, and seasoned professionals who want a robust, all-in-one tool. Ahrefs primarily started as a backlink analysis tool and has grown to become one of the most powerful tools for SEO professionals. It's known for its massive backlink index and excellent site audit features. Ahrefs is often the go-to for link building and organic traffic analysis. Moz is the veteran in this space. It was founded in 2004 and it became popular for its beginner-friendly tools and strong community. Moz is well known for its proprietary metrics like domain authority and page authority. It's especially great for those who are just getting started with SEO but still want deep insights. Ubersuggest, lastly, is owned by Neil Patel, who is a newer player but has gained massive traction due to its user-friendly interface and affordability. It's especially popular among bloggers, small business owners, and freelancers who need simple but effective SEO tools without a big price tag. Now let us talk about the main features of each of the platforms. We start with Semrush. Semrush offers Keyword Magic tool with over 20 billion keywords. There's a domain overview with traffic analytics, competitor tracking across SEO, PPC, and social media, site audit tool that provides technical SEO reports, and an on-page SEO checker with content template tools. There's also integration with Google tools possible and even social media poster. Ahrefs, on the other hand, has a massive keyword database, especially strong for long-tail keyword research, the best-in-class site explorer for backlink audits. There's also a rank tracker for keyword positions over time, a content explorer to find trending and top performing content, and there's an incredible site audit crawler that rivals even Google's own Search Console insights. How about Moz? Moz delivers Keyword Explorer with priority score, difficulty, and CTR estimates. There's also a site crawler for identifying and fixing technical SEO issues. There's a link explorer as well for backlink analysis and tracking domain authority. There's also a Moz bar, which is a Chrome extension that gives instant SEO insights, and page optimization suggestions with SERP tracking. Lastly, for Ubersuggest, Ubersuggest includes keyword suggestions with volume, difficulty, and cost per click. There's a traffic analyzer to view competitor performance. There's an SEO audit with health scores and error fix tips, and also backlink data that has improved significantly over time. Of course, there's an AI-powered writing and content suggestions feature on this platform as well. Now, those are the features of the 4 different platforms. Let us talk briefly about their pricing. With Semrush, there's a Pro plan at $139.95 per month. There's a Guru plan at $249.95 per month, and a business plan at $499.95 per month. Of course, if you choose to pay annually, you have a slash in the prices. For Ahrefs, there is a light plan at $129 per month, standard at $249 per month, and advanced at $449 per month. When you pay annually, you save up to 17%. For Moz, there are 4 plans: the starter plan at $49, standard at $99, the most popular plan was the medium plan at $179, and the large plan for larger businesses at $299. You save more, about 20%, when you pay yearly, annually. And for Ubersuggest, there are 3 different plans. There's the business plan at $20 per month, the individual plan, which offers services for just one website at $12 per month, and the enterprise plan at $40 per month. There's a lifetime plan where you can pay for a lifetime on the 3 plans. This is one of the strong points of Ubersuggest. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using these platforms. First, the pros. For Semrush, it's extremely comprehensive and is trusted by big brands. For Ahrefs, its exceptional backlink data is awesome. It has a fast and clean interface, and there are regular updates and innovations. For Moz, it's excellent for beginners, and they have a Chrome extension that is useful. And for Ubersuggest, it is affordable, simple and beginner friendly as well. How about the cons? For Semrush, it's expensive, and there's a learning curve that can be steep for beginners. For Ahrefs, usage-based pricing can be tricky, and there is no built-in social media or PPC tools. For Moz, the interface feels a bit dated, and there are slower updates compared to others. And for Ubersuggest, there's a smaller keyword and backlink database. There's also limited customization and limited depth. And that's it on the 4 different platforms that are top ranking for best SEO tools in 2025. But here's a balanced conclusion that you can take away. If you're an SEO agency, or you're a large brand or a digital marketing veteran, Semrush or Ahrefs will give you the most bang for your buck. Semrush if you want a full suite marketing tool, and Ahrefs if backlinks and content strategy are your main focus. If you're just getting started, or you prefer a cleaner, more guided experience, Moz is a solid entry point. It might not have the largest database, but it gives you clarity and confidence when you're learning the ropes. And if you're a freelancer, a solopreneur, or someone who needs basic SEO help without burning your wallet, Ubersuggest is the best value option on this list. So my advice is that you start identifying your goals. Do you need to beat competitors on Google? Do you want to track backlinks, or you want to audit a complex website? Or are you just looking for content ideas and rank for them? Your needs and your budgets, of course, will drive the decision. If you're looking to try other alternatives aside from these 4, you may explore SERPstat, SE Ranking, and Screaming Frog. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.